Hey you guys, so today I'm gonna actually make a video comparing these two products together. So this is how it's gonna be, this side and this side. Yeah. So let me just get straight to the video. I'm gonna start first by putting in the Cream of Nature on this side. So here I'm gonna start dividing my hair into two, so I can be able to handle my hair much more easier by dividing it into smaller sections. That's basically what I'm doing. And all I need for that is a squingy, which I'm gonna be putting it on the back right there. And in the front, I'm gonna section off a little portion and get started from there. Okay, so you will definitely also need a spray bottle with water, and that is to keep your hair moist while putting in the cream. Here, this is the curling cream, the Cream of Nature brand. This, I use a finger, like on a finger of the cream, to basically put in my small section of hair. You don't need that much cream to get it curled.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do,
I gotta leave that so that could dry. I'm not feeling no flakes. It's not dry, crunchy, that crunchy, you know, that crunchy type of texture. I'm not feeling none of that right now. I really like it. I really do. It actually gave me that little nice little bounce, but I feel it a little bit, it seems to be a little bit like heavy. My hair feel heavy. It's not light. That's this side, the Cream of Nature. And now I'm gonna use the moisturizing curl activator. This is just a natural hair curler, and it's actually a Cantu. It's two different brands. So that one was in Cream of Nature, and this one is Cantu. So let me use the Cantu on this side of my hair.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be
I have to
good
say,
or be naughty.
the Cantu actually, it blends in more faster than the Cream of Nature.
Like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like
Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. That could work, like, and it has the curl. Don't get me wrong, this is really nice. I like the fact that you get that curl. Look at that curl. Okay, you guys, so I am actually done, and this is how it looks. This is Cream of Nature over here on my right side, and this is Cantu over here on my left side. This is the right side. I did that. It's still damp, it's still wet, it's still heavy, and this is actually the Cream of Nature. Cream of Nature coconut milk hydrating curling cream. This side. Mind you, this side was shaking when I was putting in the product. It's still bouncy, but it's just so heavy. Now on this side, I'm still allowing this because I just put it in. I just kind of love, I love the way how this Cantu makes this, my hair look. Like it looks nice and it feels good and it's full. You could see all of that right there, but at the same time it's not heavy. Like it's light. You could feel it's light, like it's not heavy. Like I could really like work with this because I like my hair when it's shaking and don't feel heavy. My hair is already thick, so I don't need my hair to be heavy because it's already thick enough, and it's full, so I need it to be light, and that's how I kind of like both of them. But the thing is, if I had to choose to keep one of these products, I would probably choose the Cantu. And if I push my finger in there and shake it, it's actually shakeable. If I push my finger in here and shake that, so I just wanted to show you guys the difference in the Cantu and the coconut milk, the cream of nature coconut milk. That's the difference between those two. I use both products. Don't get me wrong, I use both products. They actually serve me very well, so I use both of them. But I'm just trying to differentiate between the two products so you guys can see for yourself to see what works for you. If you have any questions, kindly comment below and ask me those questions, and I will be replying back to you. If you're a new visitor to my channel, kindly press subscribe. And also, if you want to watch more upcoming videos, kindly press the notification bell below so you could be notified of my upcoming videos. And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your time.